you can see that this indicator is very good actually. Hi everyone, I'm very happy to see you again on my channel in this video because this video is special. It has the Christmas atmosphere. You can see the Christmas tree behind me and it's very brilliant. It's decorated the best. I decorated it myself for 2 days. I've done it, and it is a very long time, but I guess you would like it, yes. So guys, you asked me a lot of questions about MACD indicator and I decided like we can shoot another video about this. We can discuss it more and you will understand it better because the indicator, you remember, in combination with technical analysis will give you the best result, the bestest. And I'm very happy to understand it. You want to know all of this, you want to use it in your trading, and you really do that. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and come to my Telegram. Because in my Telegram there is a private chat called private chat, and to get into this you just need to come to my Telegram and write me the code word private. I will add you there and you will find a very interesting information for yourself that will make you happier in this Christmas time, because you will find some pieces of advice that will help you for your trading. It will be the best result you've ever done. It's the best solution ever. So guys, let's start. Hi everyone, today we will trade with the help of indicator MACD. This indicator is used to check the strength and direction of the trend, as well as to determine the reversal points. Also, this indicator is used to help technical analysis, and only correct using of this indicator in combination with technical analysis will give you the best results. So guys, let's get started and I will show you and tell you what is the signal for opening a trade. But at first we need to switch on our indicator, so let's click this button in the lower left corner and you can see a list of indicators. Let's choose MACD from this list and you can see the settings of our indicator. Let's leave all these settings by default. We don't need to change anything, just choose the colors and make them a little bit brighter. So guys, at the bottom of our platform we can see our indicator. We can see here two moving averages, green and red colored. And what is the signal here? So the signal, it's the moment when the moving average of green color begins to cross our red colored, so from top to bottom. And all of this is happening in the upper part of our indicator, above the horizontal line with the 0 mark. Also, the horizontal line with 0 mark must be the growing columns. It will be the signal for opening a trade with down, and exactly the same indicator works in the opposite direction when we need to open a trade with up. There must be crossing from the bottom up, and all of this should be happening at the bottom of our indicator, and the green bar bars should appear from the horizontal line with the 0 mark, and this will be the reversal. It's kind of prompt and the volumes are growing. So at this moment we can see that our indicator is giving us a signal for down. So in this situation, let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. I think that in the near future the price will fall to the support level, and also pay attention to our indicator. We see that our moving average of green color crossed our red one, and all of this is happening at the top of our indicator. That's now above the horizontal line with the 0 mark, and from horizontal line with 0 mark there are red bars down, and the next bar is longer than the previous one, and this is telling us that the volumes are growing for down and the price will fall. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. Well, it's excellent. The price really continued. It's moving down and we are getting our profit. So the indicator showed us very good entry point and volumes really went lower. So let's continue and find something interesting. So here we can see very good downtrend. Also we can see at this moment the price is starting to roll back up. So pay attention to our indicator. At this moment you can see our moving average of green color is starting to cross the red color from bottom to top. Also in the horizontal line with a 0 mark there is a column up, and it is a signal for opening a trade with up. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up. I think that very soon the price will continue moving up and we will get a small roll back up, I suppose, because our indicator is showing us that the volumes will be growing up. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent. The indicator showed us very good reversal point and really price went higher and we're getting our profit. So guys, let's continue and find something interesting. So guys, the first situation happened right here on this currency pair. So you can see that our indicator showing us that there is a good entry point. Also, the price will continue moving to the support level. So let's open a trade way down. So on this mark 151.81, there is the support level. Also, I think that very soon the price will continue moving to this level and maybe this level will be broken through. So let's do it with down for 3 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. After the rollback up, the downward movement continued and here we are getting our profit. So we had time, 3 minutes. Also, our indicator showed us very good entry point. So everything is going well. Let's continue. So we're again on this currency pair, guys, after a while. Also, we can see the downtrend continued, and at this moment there is attenuation and maybe the reversal will happen. Also, pay attention to our indicator. It's showing us that there is a good entry point and very soon the volumes will be growing. So I think that very soon there will be a rollback up. So guys, we need to open a trade with up to. Let's do it for 2 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough here and we will get a small rollback up at least. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's excellent guys, it really happened, the rollback up, and we're getting our profit. So let's continue, keep on our trading. So it's the same situation. Also, you can see the downtrend indicator is showing us there is a good entry point. Also, there will be a rollback up and it's starting to kind of appear. So let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes. I think that we will get a small rollback up and we need to check. Well guys, it's excellent. We have got very brilliant profit and 2 minutes were enough. Here our indicator showed us very good entry point. So guys, let's continue. So the next situation, let's open this currency pair after a while. At this moment you can see the price went to the support level. Also there is false breakout of this level. Indicator is showing us that there is a reversal. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes, expecting a small rollback ups or a small flat. So let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. After the rollback up, the downward movement continued and we are getting our profit. So everything's going well. Let's continue. So here we can see the indicators showing us that very soon there will be a reversal. Also the uptrend slowed down a little bit and in this moment there is a small flat. I think that in this situation we'll get a small pullback down and after that the upward movement will continue to the resistance levels. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. Indicator really showed us a very good entry point and there was a small pullback down and we're getting our profit really, so let's keep on our trading. So here we can see the support level. Also we can see the price touch this level and after that roll back up, and in this moment the price is starting to approach this level. Also pay attention to our indicator. It's showing us that very soon the volumes will go higher. Also in this situation, I think the movement down will continue and maybe this level will be broken through. So guys, let's open a trade for 3 minutes with down and wait for the end. Well guys, it's not bad. The downward movement continued and this level has been broken through and we're getting our profit. So the indicator showed us a very good reversal point actually, and after the breakthrough of the level, the price again starts to grow. So pay attention to our indicator. It shows us that very soon the volumes will be growing also. In this edition, let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 3 minutes. Okay guys, we need to wait for the end of our trade and see what can happen. It's excellent guys, the price really continued, it's moving up and we are getting very good profit, and this time was enough here. Also indicator showed us very good reversal point and the volumes really went higher. So guys, let's continue. Well guys, here we can see the support level. Also we can see the price starts to move down from this level. Also indicator shows us that very soon the volumes for decrease will grow. So guys, let's open a trade with down. I think that very soon this level will be broken through also. So guys, let's wait. Well guys, it's not bad. The price continued moving down and here we had time and close out trade in the profit. The indicator really showed us very good entry points. So guys, we can continue. So guys, this indicator showing us that very soon the volumes for increase will grow. So in this session, let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 2 minutes. I think that in this situation there will be a small rollback up, and after that the downward movement will continue, and maybe the support level will be broken through, because to the lowest values of these candlesticks there is the support level. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad, really. There was a small rollback up and we are getting our profit. The indicator showed us a very good entry point and the volumes really went higher. So guys, let's continue. Well, here we can see also the indicator showing us that there's a good entry point for down. Also pay attention to our chart that you can see the price starting to fall. So let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. I think we will get a small pullback down definitely. So let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. The price is moving quite impulsively, but anyway, we have closed our trade in the profit and the price really went lower, so everything's going well. Let's continue. So here we can see there was a very good impulsive upward movement, and in this situation there is a small pullback down happening. Also pay attention to our indicator, it's showing us that there is a good entry point. In this situation, let's open a trade with down. Let's do it for 3 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough here. So guys, I want to check it. Well, it's not bad guys, the price really continued its movement down and we are getting our profit. The indicator showed us very good entry point. So guys, let's continue. Well, here we can see our indicator showed us that there is an entry point, and in the future there will be a growing up about volumes, and also you can see the price is growing also. Let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough here. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. The price continued its moving up and we're getting our profit. The indicator showed us good entry point, so the volumes for increase really went higher. So guys, let's continue. So in this situation, the indicator is showing us that there are volumes for down. Also pay attention to our chart. You can see that after the downtrend, price is starting to slow down. So let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. I think that there will be a small rollback down. So guys, we need to check it. Well guys, it's not bad. The price really rolled back down. We're getting our profit. We had time for that. So after the rollback, the price will continue moving up, but I would like to find something another. Well guys, we're on the same currency pair after a while. We can see that the price went to the next resistance level and then pulled back down from it. Also pay attention to our indicator, it's showing us there is entry point and that very soon the volumes for up will grow. So let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough and the price will continue moving to this level and maybe this level will be broken through. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent. The price really continued its moving up and we are getting our profit, and this time was enough here. So this level hasn't been broken through yet, but the moving up really showed us a very good entry point. So let's continue and find another entry point. So here we can see that there was a very good downtrend. The price touched this level of resistance and after that pulled back down, and after this pullback the price is again starting to approach our resistance level. And also pay attention to the indicator, it's showing us that there is an entry point and very soon the volumes for up will grow. So let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 3 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough here. So the price will probably continue moving to this level and maybe this level will be broken through. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. The price really continued moving up to this level and we have got our profit in 3 minutes. Very enough here. So the indicator showed us a very good entry point and volumes really went higher. So our deposit is $11,000 and I would like to stop here. You can see that this indicator is very good actually. You know, I like it, but you must remember that you should use it in the combination with technical analysis, because if you use it alone, it will not give you the correct picture of all the trading situations, because the trading situations are always different on the market, and you must understand it, of course. In order to avoid all the risks that can happen, you must use them together, them both. You remember that I use a lot of other indicators, but I always tell you technical analysis is the first one, of course. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this Christmas atmosphere, and this MACD indicator now is in your heart like my Christmas tree that you must love. Okay, so guys, let's see you next time. Of course, you must not forget about subscribing to the channel, putting your like. I see that you've done it just now, thank you. And come to my Telegram private chat. You just need to come to my Telegram and write me the code word private. Yes, and you will be there in my dream team, and we will be trading together, the best team ever. So guys, see you next time.